Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. Today, I want to share a major update that affects anyone filing a family-based immigration case with USCIS in 2025. If you or someone you know is applying for a green card through marriage or another family relationship, this video is a must watch. Just last week, our office received a courtesy email from USCIS for one of our family-based cases. And what we saw was a big shift in how immigration is handling interviews and document submissions. Let me show you exactly what I mean. This is a traditional interview notice that immigration sends out. It tells the applicant when and where their interview will be. And it includes a list of documents they should bring with them to the interview. It's simple, it's clear, and it's in person. But now, let's take a look at this email we just received for the same case just last week. Instead of asking the applicant to bring in the interview documents or related documents to the interview, just like the notice has wanted us to, USCIS is now instructing them to log into their portal online and upload any documents they plan to submit at the time of the interview and before the interview. This is a major change, and it's a problem for several reasons. First, many applicants, especially some older individuals, may not be comfortable using computers. They may not feel safe uploading sensitive documents online, or they may not even know how to access their MyUSCIS account online. This change could seriously jeopardize their case. Two, if someone doesn't check their email regularly, or if they've forgotten their password, they might miss this critical message entirely. Because immigration, they aren't sending this by mail. It's by email only. And missing it could mean missing your chance to submit key documents. And finally, the email and instructions are entirely in English. If an applicant doesn't understand the language, they may not realize they're supposed to upload documents ahead of time. And if they show up to the interview without doing so, USCIS could deny their case not because they don't qualify, but because they didn't follow a new, poorly communicated procedure. This is why it's so important than ever to work with an immigration attorney who's actively monitoring your case, checking emails, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. At Winning Law, we don't just file and forget. We stay on top of every update so you don't miss out on any important deadlines, a document, or a chance to stay in the US legally. So have you received one of these new USCIS emails? Drop a comment below and let us know how you handled it or if you were confused by the instructions. Your experience might help someone else avoid a denial. Thanks again for watching Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David.